Howdy everybody, I'm Sean Loss.
I'm Ramon Espinola.
Virginia Bello, and we're from Remax Diamond Realty.
Alright, basically what we're doing here is we're just giving you a little bit of insight as to what we go through as realtors on Guam, our experiences. We're also going to be doing a tour of one home or condo for sale or for rent a week here. And we're also going to try and be giving you a tip of the week, just random tips. If you guys have any suggestions for us, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to take into consideration. Virginia, I heard you had a pretty interesting week.
I actually did. You know, we're starting off the new year pretty good. We're actually moving in my tenant in Talaverde Estates, so that's going pretty well. We did encounter a few obstacles, but somehow we worked it out, and one of it was dealing with having a pet inside the house. So we actually got to talk with the owner, and we actually negotiated.
Talaverde accepts pets in the...
They do, but there are some requirements or some that you need to mention to the owner. A few of it is what type of pet, size of the pet, and if there's pets? And how many pets, yes, and if there's any pet deposit that's going to be involved.
Okay, yes. I see. What is the pet deposit for this?
Price range of deposit?
Normally, pet deposit goes from $200 to $500, depending on the size of the pet or even type of pet.
How much was the pet deposit in this case?
We got it for $300.
Wow. And how big was the pet? Or what kind of pet was it?
Pet was small. It's just a Chihuahua, but even if it's a Chihuahua, we got in secured a place with a pet deposit. So just in case if the pet does manage to do some damage or scratch, scratch up the place,
ruin the carpet,
the deposit will be used to cover up that repairs or the damage.
That's definitely something to keep in mind. Whenever you guys are looking for a place to rent or even buy, you have to make sure that the complex, not just the complex actually, even the owner is okay with pets. One of the reasons why a lot of homeowners go through a lot of experiences with previous tenants where the pet owner doesn't know how to, they don't know how to take care of their pets. You know, the pet can stain the carpets, can urinate or defecate on the carpets.
Yeah, anything can happen. You can't say
break the
that.
Walls, scratch the walls, ruin the doors.
Yeah. And that's the reason why homeowners actually charge a pet deposit fee. Most of the time, it doesn't even cover the damages that the pet does. But I mean, it's a very minimal amount. I mean, just a good example is to retouch up on some of the doors that they damage. Yeah, it could probably cost you maybe $100 a door, if that. Sometimes the carpets will have to get replaced just because it is bad. To replace a 12 by 12 room, you're probably looking at about $400 to $500. So if you guys really think about it, how much did you say the typical pet deposit fee was?
$200 to $500.
$200 to $500. Say they charge you $500. That $500 won't even cover to replace the carpet if it does need to be replaced. So, yeah, pet.
Also, there's this house that we previewed up in Chanapago Bay and Island Fresh. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car carport. Going for $235,000. Do you remember?
I remember. It shows really well, fully fenced, great for first-time home buyers, great starter home.
Actually, it's a great price, especially for a central location, guys. And touching up on the first-time home buyers, what they mean by that is you can actually get 100% rural development loan through some of the banks out here. What that means is basically the banks will finance 100% of the purchase price of it, and you just have to, well, you know, I'll get into more of that in another segment. Stay tuned.
Let's go.
Oh. welcome back, guys. Before we end the show, we want to give you guys a tip of the week.
Tip of the week.
Tip of the week. Now, the tip of the week is we're going to talk about RD loans. RD loans, Rural Development Loans, which is financed by
USDA, United States Department of Agriculture. Now, what is a 100% RD loan?
100% RD loan. It's a loan that can finance up to 100% of the purchasing price or purchase price. It's great for first-time home buyers. It doesn't cover closing costs though, but normally closing costs cost up to 6%. But let's talk about more about that in a later segment. We can help you guys out more with the closing costs and pretty much what closing costs is. But let's focus more on RD loans. Now, how to get qualified or what's the requirements of an RD loan?
The requirements are you need 2 years work experience. Now, if you are a self-employed or a business owner, you need 3 years. There's a household bracket. 1 to 4 people annual income combined. You need no more than 78,000. Now, if it's 5 to 8, no more than 98,000. Now, there's a downfall to this RD loan. You cannot be in the villages of Deredo, Tumon, or a condo without typhoon insurance.
Yes, that's so
basically
right.
That's
pretty
the
much
basics of this loan.
Yep. If you need some more information or if you want to find out more about an RD loan and how to get this awesome loan, 100% finance, give us a call. Our information is somewhere down here. You can find it down here, or you could go back in the way beginning, watch our video all over again because it's awesome. Our information is there too as well. All right, and let's end it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.